jalapenos from our garden. This beautiful, wanna make like a little bites, like a little finger food. So we're gonna cut it in half, fill it up with goat cheese or cream cheese, wrap it in bacon or puff pastry. So, and then we'll bake it for 15 minutes, 20 minutes.
Don't forget Pampa serves.
And yeah, we're gonna mix all our cream cheese or goat cheese with Pampa serves, fill it up, stick it to the oven, 15 minutes, easy peasy. Alright, let's start with the the jalapeños. I have it over here. Come here. I have it over here. What I'm going to do first is cut it in half and remove all the inside, all the seeds. I want to make the filling with cream cheese or goat cheese, and they have the puff pastry here or our bacon over here. Okay. So first things first, let's work the jalapeños. Let's cut in half all of them. I would suggest like 3 per person, so you have like 6 different halves. All right, 2 different bowls. We're gonna put like 2 cucharadas de queso crema. Entonces tenemos 2 y 2. 2 tablespoons of goat cheese, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. Then I want to add 1 tablespoon of Pampa syrups in each one. Una cucharada de Pampa syrup para cada uno, básicamente. Y vamos a trabajarlo con un tenedor. When I work it with the fork, mix it really well. Alright, so after you mix it, the cream cheese and the goat cheese with Pampa syrups, I'm gonna go ahead and start to fill up my peppers. So, put this one over here. I'm gonna put my peppers just like that. My jalapeños. Like that. You can make more, you can make more as you go, whatever you need. I want to just put a little bit of salt. So this is what we do with the rest of the jalapeños and chilies from our garden. They're called pique. It is a recipe that we brought from Puerto Rico. So I want to get my bacon cut in half and start to wrap one of each of these guys in bacon, just like that. Bien, vamos a dejar 3 y 3, 3 y 3. Bueno, y ahora tengo acá puff pastry, o tengo acá una masa de hojaldre. Lo que voy a hacer ahora es cortarlo más o menos a lo largo del jalapeño y lo voy a envolver. Unas tiritas, no a lo largo del jalapeño, unas tiritas de esto, y lo vamos a ir envolviendo, lo vamos a pegar con un poquito de agua nada más. Lo voy a enseñar así. Bien, ahí. Y lo voy a ir envolviendo así. Me parece que es muy largo, así que voy a cortarlo a la mitad. A ver ahí. Vamos a cortarlo así. Vamos a envolverlo como si fuera una momia. Ahí lo vamos a poner acá atrás. Así, y queda, ¿ves? Paradita así.
Bravo!
Alright. So, finishing my jalapeños wrapped in puff pastry and bacon. I want to show you how it looks before I go to the oven.
Delicious!
Looks amazing over here. You can see it, guys. TikTok can see me over there.
Yes.
Awesome.
For sure.
Excellent. So now I wanna bake them and for 15-20 minutes until they are golden brown and beautiful. Vamos a hornearlos por 20 minutos a 220 hasta que estén bien cociditos, bien doraditos y hermosos, ¿ok?